Welcome to Flashpoint Fridays. I'm Michael with Lazar Scientific, and today we're taking a look at the D Series 8 ActiveCool, and we're going to run a D7236 flashpoint measurement. Like every other Stanhope-Sita flashpoint instrument, we're going to start by filling out the information on the screen, and we'll start at the top and work our way down. On this instrument, since we're running a 7236 measurement, we're going to start by setting where the ramp will start. We're going to run end decane, so we'll start at 40 degrees C. Type in 40 degrees. At this point, the instrument will start heating or cooling to reach that point. The Series 8 ActiveCool can go all the way down to minus 30 and up to 130 degrees C. Next, we'll select our method for running. We already have that pre-selected to the 7236. Next, we'll enter user. Just type in LSI and enter. We can enter sample ID. And enter. And at this point, we'll wait for the instrument to stabilize at the start of the ramp. Once the instrument's stabilized, you'll hear a beep, and the green play button will be active. At that point, we can inject our 2 ml sample into the cup. We've already pre-filled our glass syringe with 2 ml of decane. We don't want to inject the sample until the instrument's stabilized at temperature. Okay, we heard that beep, our play button turned green. We can now inject our sample. Remove our syringe, set it to the side. We'll press start. At this point, the instrument will ramp at 2 degrees C per minute. And at each degree, it'll dip until it hits a flash point. Any point during the measurement, you can hit the stop button to stop the measurement. See, the wire igniter is heating up now in preparation for the first dip at 41 degrees C. Instrument will dip. The igniter will go to standby, and now it'll wait until 42. All right, we're getting near the end of the measurement here. We should be getting a flash any degree now. The instrument will automatically detect the flash, stop heating, turn the igniter off, and it'll actually start cooling back to the original start point of the ramp for the next sample. And we have our flash. We'll have 2 beeps, and you can hear the cooling system come on to come back down to temperature. Our screen will show you the corrected flash point. This instrument automatically corrects for barometric pressure. It'll give us a QR code if you want to use a QR code scanner, along with an option to export it to a USB. Once you're done with all that, we'll hit the home button. It'll request that you clean the cup. At this point, you'll clean the cup out in accordance with your lab's practices of disposal of hazardous chemicals. Once that's done, press OK. Back to the home screen, and you can see we're almost all the way back down to our original start point and ready to run another measurement. I'd like to thank you for joining us on Flashpoint Fridays and the running of the Stanhope-Sita Series 8 ActiveCool D7236 measurement. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, visit us at our website, www.lazarsci.com. Thank you.